Ever noticed your smooth V8 ride suddenly turning into a shaky mess while you are just trying to cruise down the highway and save a little gas? You might be dealing with a P3455 trouble code, which means your cylinder 7 exhaust valve control circuit is running too low. This is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code that applies to a wide variety of vehicles made from 1996 to the present day, including brands like Dodge, Peugeot, Jeep, Chevrolet, and Chrysler. The whole point of this system is to help your wallet by turning off half of your cylinders when you do not need all that power, like when you are idling at a stoplight or maintaining a steady speed on the highway. Your engine computer, known as the EECM, manages this process by using variable valve timing solenoids to turn the exhaust valves on and off. Specifically for this code, the computer is looking at cylinder number 7. In a typical cycle, the computer will keep the engine in V4 mode for about 10 minutes and then switch back to V8 mode for 1 minute to keep everything lubricated and at the right temperature. When the computer detects that the voltage or resistance in this circuit is below the normal threshold, it triggers the check engine light. In many cases, the computer will even shut off the fuel injector for that cylinder to prevent damage, which causes a very noticeable misfire that makes the whole car vibrate. You will likely see your fuel consumption go up and your overall engine performance go down. The most common causes for this are a faulty solenoid, low engine oil level, or even low oil pressure, since the system relies on oil to move the mechanical parts. Sometimes an oil passage gets restricted with sludge, or you might have a corroded or loose connector near the exhaust manifold. To fix this, start by checking your oil level and making sure it is clean and full. Then, look for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as this can save you a ton of money on a known factory fix. You can use a digital multimeter to check for 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring and ensure the connections are solid. If the oil is clean and the wiring is fine, you might need to replace the variable valve timing solenoid itself. However, if you are feeling a heavy misfire, you should get to a mechanic right away, because ignoring it can cause permanent damage to your internal engine components. Getting it handled early keeps your engine efficient and prevents a small sensor issue from becoming a massive repair bill.